Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do your own album cover design using Photoshop. Are you a beginner and you want to learn how to design your own album cover, maybe for someone or for your own personal practice? Then you're in the right channel. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. For the size is 3000 by 3000 pixel as shown in the screen above. Then before I start any of my work, I like to make the canvas background black, but if you prefer the white, you can still use the white, but I prefer my own black. And so we'll bring in our first image that we want to use. Bring in the first image into Photoshop. Then we're going to resize it. We'll make it full, the canvas background. Yes. Then we'll bring in our second image we want to use again. Then we're going to right click, then we'll flip it over, then we'll add the marks. We select our brush tool, then we want to work on the top part. Let's play it away, we don't need it, we only need the downside, the dark part of the image. Then we'll clear all the unwanted things we don't need. Then we're going to change the mode. I think lighter color will go. Lighter color goes. Then I want to bring in our main image. I want to use. Yes, then we'll add the marks. After resizing it, we add the marks. So the edges of the image, we want to blend it with the background. Blend it well so that whenever anybody wants to see it, they will notice the edges. So you blend it with the background very well. When you are done with that, we'll still want to resize it a bit, move it up a bit. Then I want to blur our face background image. We'll go to filter, then Gaussian blur. Then I want to set it to 22.5 or 23 or 22.4, like that. Then we'll still blend the edges of our main image very well. Then you want to centralize it. For centralizing, you click on the control, then you click on the background, then you click on the centralize option on the menu bar. We're still blending our main image very well. Make sure the edges are well matched with the background. Blend it well because that's very important. So I'm using is Adobe Photoshop 2022. You can download it on Get Into PC. Then we'll bring our third image. That's like a smoke background. Then we shade the mode of the pics to screen. Oh no, I think yeah, screen is better. Then it's time for us to write our text. We want to write our text. Yeah, so Blood Ties. Our name is Blood Tiles. The name of the song is Blood Ties. You can type in your own title of song you want it to go with that. Anyone, the one you want. And the font that I'm using is Great Vibes. You can get it on dafont.com. Great Vibes. Then we'll enlarge it a bit. And we'll try centralizing it. Once you centralize it, you press down the control and you click on the background, then you click on the center. So automatically Photoshop helps you to centralize it. Then I want to add some drop shadow to it. Then select the red, light red. Yeah, the spread, we'll increase it to 21 or 20. The degree, we'll set it to 0. Then the size, we'll set it to 250. We reduce the opacity a bit. We're going to reduce the opacity. Just testing it. Distance. We're going to just play around the distance and the opacity. It must not be too much. Yep, it's okay. And so what are the layer marks? So click on the color, black and white something. So I'm going to set it to purple. I need color purple, light purple. So we'll select our brush tool, we'll paint the down parts, then we'll change the mode of what we just painted to soft light. Yeah. Then we'll select another color red. Then we add another layer marks again. Then we'll paint on top of it, then the side, the left and right side. Then we'll change the mode to soft light. Then we're going to reduce the opacity of the red color to around 82, 80, not too much, but moderate. Yep. Enlarge our text a bit, not too much, but should be moderate. We centralize it again. Then we want to duplicate it now. Name of the bit or the person, you want to write the name of the person who produced You can write the name of the person that produced the music, mine. Then the font I used there was Montserrat. It's one of the most popular fonts. Yeah. And this more a bit. Yeah. NX Studio, produced by NX Studio. Yeah, we'll try centralizing it. Then I want to set the spacing, the space between the texts, between each text, between each letters. Yeah, that's 800. Yeah, 800. Then we'll centralize it again, the text. Yeah. I want to duplicate it. I think no. Yeah. I'm trying to check out the space between each text. Yeah, set to 75. Then I want to bring in our third image for the bottom side, for the underneath. Yes. Make it full the whole canvas background. We'll shift it up a bit. Then we'll add the marks. Select our brush. Then we'll blend it from the center, so the picture will come out from the center. Blend it, blend small a bit, not too much, because we want all the colors, the color of the background and the layer color to blend together plus the image. Then I'm still not satisfied with the produced by, so yeah, I think it's okay. Then we'll duplicate it and we'll write the name of the artist that sang it, that sang the song. Yeah, I'll name it NX Design. Then the name of the font I used was Trajan. You can find it on DaFont also, dafont.com. Centralize it. Yeah. Click for proper centralization. You click on the text and then you press down the control. You click on the background, then you click on center. It will automatically centralize for you. So once we increase the title and the artist, yeah, a bit, centralize it again for proper centralization. Yeah, perfect. So blur that background. Our third image we brought in for the bottom, for the underneath, we blur it a bit, the range of 4.0 to 5.0, not too much. And so it's time to enhance our main image. Click on filter, then sharpen, then smart sharpen. Set the radius to 1.5, reduce noise to 10, then the amount 23, 234, 240, yeah, I think 252. 252 is okay. Let me see. Yeah, 252 is okay. Range of 240 to 250 or 252 as you want it. So wait for Photoshop to do to enhance it for us. Yeah. Still not satisfied with the text. Yeah, Montserrat. The spacing, I'm not still satisfied. Let me see, 800. Yep, it's something like this. Reduce the size a bit. Yep, not so much. Yes. Then we'll centralize it again. Yep. And so that's it for on how to design an album cover design. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post another video you will get notified.